Mwezi huu wa Desemba,
ndereti ya kana mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga ni agirirwo ni kwihitithio ni ithiete na mbere kuguciriria mawoni matiganite, na munene wa watho Githumo Igai ni aheanite woni wake ta mutari munene wa thirikari wigie maundu ma watho.
A swearing in of any person not lawfully declared to have won an election by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, and a swearing in that is not conducted by the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya is a process wholly unanticipated by the Constitution and is null and void and illegal ab initio.
Muigai augite mundu o wothe ungikuruhanio na mwihitwa ta ucio egukorwo agararite katiba na gikiro kinene, ihitia riria mundu anginyitikana nario agirire gutwirwo kunyongwo.
Finally, what is the punishment for high treason? It is death.
Muigai oho augite rendekithia ria kumba ciungano cia muingi iria NASA iratwara mbungeni cia county citiitikiritio ni katiba.
The so-called People's Assemblies are institutions totally unknown to the Constitution of Kenya and totally unknown to the County Governments Act. They have purportedly been established in violation of the Constitution.
Augite mutongoria o wothe uria ekunyitikana ahuthirite mbeca cia muingi gutwarithia mihango iria itari thiini wa katiba ni egutacukirio makinya ma kiwatho ari hamwe na kurihio mbeca iria cigukorwo cihuthikite mugaru na watho ona kana kuohwo.
And any person involved in the use of money legitimately voted by the National Assembly to do legitimate work in the counties and is now being used for this illegitimate purpose means that these monies can be surcharged to those persons who have been involved in that process.
Thirikari igithii na mbere gutitirithia ati imwe ya mihango iria ngwataniro ya NASA iratwarithia na mbere nditikiritio ni katiba ya bururi, riu agweterera kuoneka ni kana NASA ni iguthii na mbere na mihango iyo na maria makiyumiria thutha ucio. Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV, Nairobi.